Hello, my name is Phil Marino. I manage the wireless performance validation team. This is one of two facilities, Casper One, which is used to validate the wireless LAN device that goes into Centrino designs worldwide. These robots are called Automated Guided Vehicles, or AGV for short. The AGVs are used for positioning or placement of the device under test in a repeatable fashion. The AGV operates 24/7. It essentially replaces 6 technicians, allowing the validation engineer to analyze data rather than gather it. Our test methodology is founded on repeatable results. We focus on having an interference-free environment as well as placing the device under test accurately, repeatably. One of the coolest features about this AGV is the ability to guide itself, really. As long as it has a sight of 3 reflectors, it continues on its way, does what it needs to do. If an obstacle pops in its path, it has sonar that it uses to avoid that obstacle. The purpose of the testing is really to fine-tune the product as part of product development and ultimately to validate it. The test measurements are taken by the AGV moving a device under test to a station. A controller sitting remotely initiates wireless LAN traffic. That sequence is repeated multiple times based on the test required. The benefits of this testing is that we gather data that provides feedback to our engineers that allows them to design the best possible product.
We previously introduced you to the office environment, but the home environment introduces unique challenges. The RF signals have to propagate through multiple floors and deal with interference from typical household devices. Let's go inside and we'll show you how we test for those challenges. When wireless notebooks are used in the typical home environment, typical household devices introduce interference which could impact the performance and user experience. We're able to replicate that environment here to analyze the impact of this interference on performance and the user experience and allow us to make design changes which could overcome some of those challenges. As part of the Connect with Centrino program, we ran thousands of test cases over a 4-month period and worked with key access point vendors and silicon providers to address the many issues that were discovered during the test cases. People use notebooks, which by definition are mobile. We simulate the mobility by using a turntable such as this one to measure the impact of the movement on performance and overall user experience. The testing methodology is to baseline the performance and user experience with typical household appliances such as cordless phones, microwaves, and baby monitors turned off. We then turn on these devices and measure the impact of this interference on real-world user applications. This information is then fed back to the engineering teams for any potential design changes.
As you have seen, we have comprehensive testing going on in both the office and home environments. We do this to deliver a robust end-user experience. The Connect with Centrino program ensures that you can connect with confidence.